Speaking Part 1. Topic: Hometown. What's the name of your hometown? My hometown is Jaipur. It's the capital of Indian state of Rajasthan. Is it a big city or a small place? Being a state capital, it is big and quite developed with excellent living facilities. Basically, it's a tier 2 city. Please describe your hometown a little. It is a place of great historical and cultural significance, as it is the setting where some incidences of great historical significance occurred. Also, it depicts the culture of India, particularly of Rajasthan, in full grandeur. How long have you been living there? I was born in Jaipur and spent my childhood and adolescence here. As it is also my native place, several generations of my family have been residing here since ages. Do you like your hometown? Oh, yes, I love it. It is a fascinating place to live in with some very interesting and loving people around. It is also a heaven for food lovers who cherish traditional Indian cuisine. Do you like living here? Yes, I love living here as it gives me immense sense of belonging and comfort. Also, my entire family lives in the same city, so I also get to stay close to them. Would you say it's an interesting place? Oh, absolutely. It is one of the most alluring places I know. It has lots of places to visit with very helpful natives, making it one of the hotspots for tourists in India. You can never have a dull or boring moment in this city. What do you like the most about your hometown? The thing I adore the most is the spirit with which people live here and their outlook towards life. Moreover, I love the food that we have here. What's your favorite part of your hometown? My favorite part of my hometown is the old Pink City area. It is replete with historical and tourist attractions. For instance, the Hawa Mahal, Vijay Sthamb, City Museum, etc. Is there anything you dislike about it? Oh, I do get a little annoyed by how crowded it gets during holidays. As Jaipur is a tourist place, people throng to the city for vacations. This even leads to traffic snarls sometimes. Do you think you will continue living there for a long time? Currently, I have no intentions of moving as I've lived here all my life. My workplace is also here as my family's, so I do think that I'll continue living here for a long time. Are there any tourist attractions in your hometown? Of course, they are in abundance here. You can visit the historical forts of Amer, Jaigarh, and Nahargarh. Furthermore, there are lots of art and cultural fests happening all over the city throughout the year. And not to forget, the memorable Pink City and nearby marketplaces are a paradise for history buffs and shopping lovers. Did your friends also grow up in the same place as you? Yes, most of my friends grew up here with me. Nonetheless, I do have some great friends at my workplace who have migrated from across the country to Jaipur due to work. Would you like to live here in the future? Oh yes, I would definitely love to live here in future as well. But having said that, you never know what life has in store for you, as everybody has to live and move in accordance with the situations.